Carpentry New Project Plan. Student Edward Daniel Castañeda Bucanegra. Teacher Georgette Christopher Taham. Course English word fine. Step 1. The project choosing the project. If I want to start a computer project, I will choose something useful for my home. If I have the right tool, I always feel more confident to begin. Step 2. Planning and design. If I draw a clear plan, I will about decide during the construction. If I design is too complicated, I usually simplify it before building. Step 3. Selecting materials. If I buy cheap wood, the quality is never good. I find if I find solid wood at a good price, I will use it for the main structure. Step 4. Preparing the workspace. If the workshop is clean and organized, I always work faster. If I race outside, I will stay inside and prepare the tools. Step 5. Measuring and cutting. If I'm measuring twice, I never cut work. If I cut the words carefully, the piece will fit perfectly. Step 6. Assembling the structure. If I use strong glue and screw, the furniture always lasts longer. If something doesn't fit, I will sand it down until it does. Step 7. Finish touch. If I apply, if I apply varnish, the wood will look more elegant. If I use too much paint, it always takes longer to dry. Step A. Evaluation. If a project looks good, I will take it first and share it online. If I make mistakes, I always learn something new for next time. Step 9. Maintenance. If I clean the furniture regularly, it lasts for years. If I forget the project is from moisture, it will get damaged. Step 10. Reflections. If I join the project, I will plan another computer project soon. If I keep practicing, I will become a better carpenter every day.